I'm really confused about the things people eat during a snowstorm. No strawberries. Very little blueberries. All the produce is gone. Frozen chicken gone. Hey, we got breakfast foods. Here I am, just coming in here for my Pepsi. That's all I want. Don't deny my Pepsi. Let's go look on the bread aisle. That'll be fun. Well, it's doing a little better than I thought. I guess people don't like Nature's Own. Let's go look at milk. Oh, we got milk. Lots of milk. We're gonna go to the eggs. I seen this earlier. Like, what are people doing with all these eggs? There's hardly any eggs left. Them chickens better get busy. Well, I got my Pepsi. I'm out of here.